Kwambe, Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Nkwuaku kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Akabuike fada. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Grandpa, let's grandpa Nkwuaku. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Grandma, let's grandma Aboliba. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Let's grandma. Ibakwenyi. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Akaku. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Akwolulu kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Akwolulu kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Ichie, ndị ichie. Kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Chukwu kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Chukwu kwambe. Kaimarandi esi owere wena. Chukwu Special General 2233 dark all night. All Atunukpanambu covered. I'll spell them. I'll tell you what they mean. Atu ATU. Let me spell it. ATUNUKPANAMBU. I'll write them again. After the video, I write them and see the correct spelling. Atunukpanambu. 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 Then covered, to cover them. Atunukpanambu are like empty entities. They are like energy that possess people. Empty entities. And when they possess people, and the people they possess are called Ndi Atunukpanambu. Ndi, like people, Atunukpanambu. Atunukpanambu, when you see anybody possessed by Atunukpanambu, to move the world forward, no. They have none in their agenda. Thinking about the future, no. Helping the society, the community, they are serving. Helping saving lives and properties, no. All they care, their selfish gain, their selfishness, all they care, the gain they get, or their personal gain, that's all they care. All they can get from you, they use it for their personal use. That's all they care. Then when where they are getting the help, or when the person giving the help start having problem, they leave, they go to the back and laugh at the person. All they care, their personal gain. And Atunukpanambu are found in religion. When you hear our ancestors, when they speak their divination language, tradition and culture, they say Atunukpanambu. Beware of Atunukpanambu when moving forward in life. You will encounter them. You are in your peace space. You didn't attack them. You look for no trouble. But they will come. They will bring the trouble, bring the war to you. Beware of Atunukpanambu. You go to them or you didn't go to them, they are bringing the war. They are called Atunukpanambu. And Atunukpanambu are in religion, all religion. They are in Catholic Church. They are in all Christian church. They are in all religion. That's their base, Atunukpanambu. They are going against the world. Against when you talk about science and technologies, no. The science and technologies to move the world forward, no. All they move around saying telling everybody, preaching, the world is no home. The world is no home. We are going home to another kingdom, to another planet, to a God kingdom, Jesus kingdom. That's where we are going. The world is vanity upon vanity. Atunukpanambu. And in their group, when they come to their group, they tell everybody, this is our religious group. We practice charity, encourage everybody, help the society, move the world forward. But when they assemble, they start casting curse spell. They're casting curse spell, praying against everybody. Other group that refuse to come to them, die. They are unbelievers. They are rebelling against God. God's wrath will come upon them. You see in the Bible, this place, Sodom and Gomorrah, God wipe everybody, use fire, scatter everywhere, wipe everybody out. You see this country, and in the Bible, and in this book, this place, God told their people, go to war. And God told them, spare nobody. And they came to this land, kill everybody, even the infants, the little children, wipe all of them out. To tell you what our God can do. Our God is mighty in battle. They are the Atunukpanambu, possessed by Atunukpanambu, empty entities. You see them holding Bible in their hand, but in their heart they are wicked. You see them holding rosary, crucifix on their hand, but in their mind they are wicked. All the knowledge they are researching, they are searching for, they are acquiring, are basically and summarized like all they will use against others, against the world, because their hallucination, whatever vision they have seen, whatever energy they are serving, already told them, the world is no home, and everybody should prepare, and we are going to another world, another kingdom. The world is no home. The world is vanity upon vanity. They have already made up their mind. This is what they want, and they are going around preaching this word into the younger generation. And the word they are preaching, with ancient spell in that. When they preach this word to you, and with a psychology, when they preach this word to you and start giving you a different example, smiling, friendly to you, then if you have no knowledge, if you have weaker mind, you dance to all they are telling you. You join them and start moving around. The world is no home, everywhere scatter, everywhere. And God say, this year, water wipe out everywhere. And even my country, in where they call religion, in church, in Catholic, even in tradition, they come up with their prophecy. God said, in so year, the world will end. I think that was in 2000, year 2000. And everybody should be buying candle. There will be 3 days darkness. And in year 2000, the world will end. Preaching this word, putting fears in everybody. But Sanko, I saw this. I've been researching. I discovered these people. I said, wow, we have been living in our empty entities dwelling in our midst. They come up, you see them with their educational qualification. You see them doctor. You see them, they studied, they went to school, but they are possessed by Atunukpanambu, empty entity energy. They continue to say, and this scholar, God revealed to him, what this scholar said, the world will end in 2000. In my country, what year are we now? We're in 2023. Did the world end in 2000? To tell you, these people are possessed by Atunukpanambu, empty entities, and all that are possessed by this energy are called Nde like people, Atunukpanambu. Using the name of Jesus, the name of religion, to hide their evil. Green snakes hidden under green grass, moving around everywhere, disturbing everybody. And some of them, the government, the authority, you allowed them continue to build more foundation to move around, because your law says freedom of assembly, freedom of religion, freedom of that. You allow this foundation to be built in your community, and they are building more, research and buying land to build more. Then they continue to lie to the younger generation. Allowing your own enemy dwell in your midst, because your law say freedom of assembly, freedom of religion. Then Is that the reason you allow your own enemy to stay in your midst because your Lord said this? But you know they are going against your land, against your against the development to your country, to your land, to your city, to your community. You allow these evil, empty entities, the Atunukpanambu, possessed by Atunukpanambu. They come here, you see them holding rosary, you see them holding Bible, you see them holding different kind of in religion. They are Atunukpanambu. Then others in that religion, in that group, that are good, that are innocent, yeah, they shut their mouth, they shut them down, they block them from rising. All that are going there with good mind, they say, okay, I was born into Catholicism, into this church, yeah. And most others that go there, they have good mind. They go there, they see the way this group, when they come here, they are more relaxed, the way they pray, pray for everybody, relax and worship their God. They take it that way. But these empty entities there, possessed by Atunukpanambu there, they are at the top, at the leaders. If you speak, then no more. They excommunicate you from that group. They stop you from coming to that church. They have been doing this in Nigeria. And most of them, all they do, they continue to threaten the society. Next thing they tag you, you are antichrist. They tag you, you are going against God. Then they start casting all their gospel in their group. They say, God revealed to us in the vision that you are heading to your grave. God revealed to us, you will die. God said, God's wrath about to come to this society. And when natural disaster happen, when the world is mourning, when the world is looking for solution, they go to their group and celebrate it. They say, God is passing message to them. Yes, God is angry. You see community, society, buildings, houses destroyed by flooding, destroyed by different kind of problem. They say, yeah, God's anger is coming against them because they refuse to serve God. They refuse to come to God. Hold on, simple logic. Your book says God, that God you are talking about, created everybody. We agree. And that God, when they were creating us, and that God didn't know that some humanity will go and abandon them and refuse to bow down to them. And that God didn't have the knowledge. Then next thing, and you say that God is merciful, full of compassion. Then next thing, when people start dying, when you have problem in a society, and you're telling us God is striking them. God struck them down. God destroyed all the society because they refuse to come to God. They are possessed by Atunukpanambu energy. They are empty energy, empty entities, and all possessed by Atunukpanambu are called Ndi Atunukpanambu. You see different churches, different religious group, they continue to create more. But when you go in there, you see somebody vomit nonsense from their mouth in the name of God told us. I saw God stand them and say, your family, all this community, your village, stop going to your village. They are all witchcraft. This country. And God told us, this country, they will destroy. Now, when I discovered these people in my country, I listened to them to hear that their prophecy. In religion, they are standing there, like you see them with their education. And some of them, the Catholic priests and the pastors, they come out, use their microphone and say, United States, God is warning you. Listen to my voice. God is warning you. United States, God say you guys are antichrist. God say the beast in the Bible, mark of the beast, and all the beasts and all the animals they know, the beast dwelling in your midst, and you guys are the beast, and you are like Sodom and Gomorrah, that will be destroyed by fire. And some of them get prophecy and say, a time shall come when half of United States will be washed away by water. I didn't tell you ahead, or somebody told me. In their presence, they spoke this and claimed God told us. And some gave a date when it will happen. But what happened? Did the United States wash away by water? No. I discovered these people. All I'm opening your eyes, and USA, I'm opening your eyes to see and hear my message where I'm coming from. I've been going through a lot since I came to your country. Whatever they told you guys about me, and you refuse to call me in your group, your government, come into your midst and hear my story. Because most of the negativities they are casting are derived from nature. I know all that. My family, my ancestors are the head in all our community. You must come to us. Our family are the head to that tradition you are talking about, tradition and culture. The head and the leaders, the chief priests from my family, my grandfather Nkwuaku, the head, all my family, all the elders, when they want to have meeting among themselves, dressed with their traditional clothing, both male and female, they assemble in our house, in the village, in our company, everywhere, full house. Then our grandfather pray for everybody. One time for festival of any spirit deity there, the energy, different village, all come from different places. They must come to us, the head. I know the negative part and the good part. And most of all this they are using are derived from the negative part. And to shut down the negative part, you must use the good part from that nature to shut down the negative part. They are the only way you can shut them down. If you refuse to use that nature, natural resources, the nature, to shut down the negative side, they continue to defeat you. You continue to lose lives and properties. We're going nowhere. And you are telling me now you are own enemy, holding yourself hostage. You must use that nature to subdue and pull down the negative nature, the negative side they are using against the world in the name of God told them, casting gospel against other nations. And they are praying so hard. You see some people fasting. Somebody can fast from 6 to 6, 1 week, from 6 in the morning to 6 in the afternoon. 6 in the morning, 6 in the evening, with no food. In the name of God told us, but they are casting spell against the innocent. Then to destroy all the Atunukpanambu, all their foundation worldwide, and shut all of them down. They are thrones of kings and queens, wherever they are. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitacolas, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okaobago, utinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north and the south and the east and in the west. To block all of them, I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitacolas, able ngene green blocking, Chukwu and Ndotie was all colors blocking, uncountable rabbits, biophysical and spiritual giant wars. Block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and all their group and all of them. To cover all of them, I use black trash bags, plastic bags, wakele, black blankets, aquoji, cover all of them, bring them down. The negative energies they are summoning, cover all of them, bring them down. Put them in basket, tie them, chain them, blind them, block them, bury all of them, cover them in the north and the south, in the east, and in the west, and banish them out in the north and the south, in the east, and in the west. All come together worldwide, all good human, mad, and prayer. We use male cow, female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33, 22, 33 color nuts, and drinks, and prayer. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinity's orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, part. Transfer to all family, generation, ancestries, all countries. Stand up in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. Transfer to all states in USA. Turn into USA government, their legislation, executive, judicial. Transfer to White House. Transfer to President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Transfer to all states in USA. Transfer to Gavin Newsom, our governor here in California. Transfer to California State. Transfer to California government house in California, Sacramento. Government office. Transfer to LA County. Transfer to Kerimbas, our mayor. Transfer to Carson City. Transfer to Mike Gibson. Transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to Ally Universal Security and all the security worldwide. and all security worldwide, and here in USA, and Homeland Security, Securitas, transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward with cooperative cares, transfer to Serenity Recuperative Care, transfer into their foundation, science and technologies and other sites, transfer to all for free. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. You are a good human, moving the world forward, then transfer to you guys, based here in USA's NATO Science and Technologies. So Moribi. He say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest what? Chief Priest USA. We use water, boy, eggs, rings, all that goes into the body that are good. To work on this prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation, free from all the Atunukpanambu, negativities, negative energies, empty entities. Yeah, free from them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. So Maribi, he say, USA.